Hi, welcome back again to this channel. This is another video. This video is for all people who have a pickup truck that has a spare tire located under their vehicle like this. If you look at this video, you can see that tire. That's a spare tire located under the vehicle. For this video, this is a GMC Canyon, and most people with pickup trucks have this similar. It's similar to most people. GMC Canyon, GMC Silverado, Chevy Silverado, GMC, what do you call it? Chevy Colorado. All those vehicles is similar to this. The idea is the same. So these vehicles come with a special tool to remove this tire from under the vehicle. Actually, the special tool goes inside that hole in the back, right there. See that hole in the back? And the special tool usually is in the vehicle under the passenger seat. If you look in your vehicle, if you bought your vehicle new, you'll see the tool right there under the passenger seat. So the idea is the same in those pickup trucks, and you have to find a way to get that tire down. See, the spare tire is down there, so you have to find a way to bring it down. But if you don't have the tool, everything is not lost. There's a way to do it, and I'll show you real quick how to do it in this video. So I'll tell you something. So you see, if you look under this vehicle, you'll see under here there's you see what's holding that tire? You see, it's a mechanism, right? It's a mechanism that starts. That's what's holding the tire. But the whole mechanism starts up here, and I'll show you why it's so easy for you. You can do this. This is a GMC Canyon 206, and I got the vehicle. I didn't have the tool, so I made up my own tool. So this is you can see I have a ratchet. This is a ratchet, and I have a long extension. You know, this extension here, for those people in the US, this extension, you can get it at Harbor Freight. It comes in a package with about three pieces, 1/2 inch, 3/8, and I think the other one is 1/2 inch, 3/8, and 1/4 inch. So this is a 3/8 in this truck. I was looking at another YT video. I always check what people are saying, and I thought it was supposed to be a 1/4 inch, but for this for this truck here, 2006 GMC Canyon, it's a 3/8. You need a 3/8 ratchet. You see that extension? The extension is a 3/8, and you can see also the ratchet is. This will go in there, and this can bring the tire down. So all you have to do is put it inside this hole. Make sure it goes inside the hole. Let's see. Let's get it in the hole. Always, as a man, always make sure you put things in the hole. Okay. So you can see, if you look at it, you see, once you get it in there in the hole, you have to adjust. You have to adjust the mechanism to unlock. So locking is clockwise, unlocking is anti-clockwise. So you have to bring it like that. So see, once you ratchet it like that, I'll show you what's happening. See what's happening. Look. See, when you ratchet it like that, see, the tire is coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down. Sing a song for yourself, because it's not gonna be easy, but it's coming down. See, you see the tire is coming down. See, the tire is coming down. See, the ratchet is here. You ratchet it down. The spring, the cord there in there. if you look inside here, you'll see how you see. This is it. It's in there. See? See? Keep cranking until it touches the ground. See now? You see where it is? It's right there. That's why we're cranking, right there. See? See? That's what we're dealing with right here. The tire is coming down on the ground. Oh, get him. Get it. And here we're ratcheting right here. It's coming down right there. Now it's touching the ground. See? So this is the mechanism right there. See that? Always make sure you spray that with some kind of spray like Rust-Oleum to kill that rust over there. You don't want that to be so rusted that it can fall when you're driving. You don't want this tire to fall when you're driving. And you can see even the connections here are rusty. Spray that with Rust-Oleum. Keep you under the vehicle here clean by. You see a spray there, you know, that's Rust-Oleum black right there. So spray it like that. Keep it nice and clean there. So what you do is you just remove the tire. It comes off from that down there. It comes here. You remove the tire from this. You just remove it. You can remove the tire here, and then you replace your spare whatever tire. Like for me, I want to replace this tire here. Replace that tire and use the same mechanism here to bring the other tire back up. As easy as that. This is a GMC Canyon 206. This is how you do it. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section, and I'll explain more or make another video if you didn't get it. But it's as simple as that. When you're down here, get some Rust-Oleum and spray under your vehicle here. Spray all this rust here and clean it up nice and good, and watch for any other things going on under the vehicle when you're down here. If you have these pickup trucks, you know what I'm talking about, you know. So again, I'll say, if you have any question, any comment, you can leave that in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll see you in the next video. Okay, have a good day. Thank you. Bye.